Alright guys, so for today's video we are gonna install this aftermarket carbon fiber e-brake for FRS BRZ. It's pretty lightweight actually. To install this is pretty easy and straightforward. So the first thing that we have to do, we're gonna remove the e-brake button. If you have the stock ones, you can just keep it in there. Since I have the aftermarket, we're gonna have to remove this. You have to go counterclockwise, so you're gonna just twist it like this. We already removed the e-brake button, and now we're gonna use a heat gun to remove this thing, because this thing is glued around here. If you don't have a heat gun, you can use your hair dryer. So here we go. So you gotta be careful because it's pretty hot, and you're gonna wanna just twist it. Okay, halfway there. Okay. All right. Whew. All right, now we're gonna install the carbon fiber e-brake. Pretty straightforward and relatively easy. So this particular e-brake, it comes with three little bolts right here. And it came with this little thing right here. They should provide you this. If they don't, you can just probably get this one at a dollar store. And now we're gonna put back the e-brake button. Last thing you want to do is just put this back in there. And there you have it. It looks so good compared to the stock ones. Look. Good, not good. Alright, you can actually get this on eBay or GT-86 for like $60 to $70. Yeah, there you go. Make sure you like and subscribe. Follow my Instagram page. I will link it down below.